In any work, using the right tool, for the right job, in the right way produces the best results. The valve wheel plays a key role across industries, a small but yet important part with diverse applications, each demanding the use of a specialized wrench. Conventionally, a TMT bar is welded together to form a makeshift wrench, which may break during use, giving rise to accidents. Safety-conscious organizations across the world use specially designed wrenches as a part of their best practices in industry, resulting in higher levels of safety. SKV Energy Services, a company specializing in commissioning, operation and maintenance of power plants across India, introduces a diverse range of specially designed wrenches, which are durable and safe, and one can use specific wrenches based on requirement. Double open valve wheel wrench provides leverage on hand-operated valve wheels, permitting a smooth snap hammer action to make opening and closing valves easily without slippage when working in overhead or crowded position. You can also the single open valve wheel wrench, the claw-type valve wheel wrench and the F-type valve wheel wrench. Lightweight valve wheel wrenches made from aluminum magnesium reduces the chance of sparks when opening stubborn valves. A comfortable rounded gripping area, and the overall smooth finish of the wrench are features that add to the high standard of quality. Surgrip single open and double open valve wheel wrench made of ductile iron wrenches are safer and easier to use because the head design provides a better grip and allows the operator to rest the wrench on top of the wheel when opening stubborn valves. Super claw type valve wheel wrench is used to provide leverage on hand-operated valve wheels, permits a smooth snap hammer action to make opening and closing valves easily without slippage when working in overhead or crowded position. So welcome to the one-stop shop for wrenches and build efficiency and productivity into any kind of application. SKV Energy Services, info@skvenergyservices.com